Hey guys, Tris Rap City down at the Rap City HQ, another episode of Rap City TV. Today we've got a Range Rover V8 Supercharged in for a satin dark grey wrap. We're also going to be doing an alloy refurb on it. We're going to have this one in for a few days. Stay tuned, watch the progress, comment below, like, share and make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Yo guys, it's Cobbs Rap City, the new owner of Rap City and the manager. I don't know if Tristan's gone, but he's not around no more.
Doesn't take much to empty a bin. These are like my kids, you know, because no one thought they would tell me that we're out of bin bags.
Anyway, we've got a Range Rover in. It's a Range Rover V8 Autobiography Supercharged. It's got in satin dark grey, it's a 3M colour. I'll say halfway done, we only done a door in it so far, but we've got the alloys done already, so the alloys have gone black on it. But yeah, it's going to be good, it's going to be done soon and we'll show you what it looks like.
Malik.
Oh, do you know what would be sick here? I don't know how you could do this, but I got this message, I'm going to screenshot it now. And it's some guy saying, I've got money to spend, do you want my business or not? He says, fam, I've got money to spend. Holiday, he's been trying to book his car in, yeah? March is a busy month. March is actually our busiest month. Like, do you know how my head sometimes feels like it's going to explode? Like, literally just, if I just think about just here, this business. So I think about, okay, Quabs needs that, then Tarek needs that, but then I also need to make sure we tighten up on that. We've got to do more promotion for that, but then we want to make sure we're growing as well. I want to make sure that the quality of the alloys are better. Oh, now we do bodyworks. Oh, we've got to get that line. Oh, I've got to call that guy back because he wants to book in. Do you know what I mean? Mate, I can't wait to get some banging jobs done this summer, like just that are going to look sick on photos. I know why you look so ill. Do you want me to tell you why you look so ill? Where is it?
Where's me, bro?
I've thrown it away. You lot and your stupid fast food. That's why you look ill. You've never had a t-shirt?
No. You've never had a t-shirt?
Why would you never have had a t-shirt?
Never had one.
You said you were gonna. You said there was one there, but you
never gave him a t-shirt.
Oh, my bad, bro.
He's never been part of the team.
No, he is part of the team. I'll sort you one out tomorrow. I've got loads in my house. T-shirts for days, mate.
What about? 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 What about?
Trish, you done madness. Yo, Rap City, baby.
That's a wrap, guys, on a satin dark grey Range Rover. Definitely a colour that I'm a fan of. It's the second time we've done it. It's going to be the third, as our next client, who's actually booked in for next week, is going to be going for an E63, the same colour, so look out for that. Looks beautiful. You saw the reaction, you heard the reaction. Another happy citizen, always our priority. Make sure you share, subscribe, like, and also let us know what you want to see from our channel. Let us know what sort of content you want us to produce, and let us know what crazy colours you would love to see a car wrapped, and maybe we can throw the suggestion to one of our clients. That's a wrap, guys, on the Satin dark grey Range Rover.
Is it the Seinfeld now?
Yeah, in the middle of a video, mate. Let's go again.